Hi besties, today I'm gonna show you how to reuse your gel-X nails at home and save so much time and money. At the salon, this is called a refill. They remove the color or design and fill in the growth gap, giving your nails a fresh new look without starting from scratch. It's perfect if you want to change your design after a week or two, up to 3 weeks max. So if you want to learn how to do a seamless gel-X refill at home, keep on watching. First, I'm gonna get rid of the design, and here I'm using a drill, but if you don't have one, you can also file down till you get to your gel-X nail tips. Just be very gentle and use a mask to cover your nose and mouth while doing this, cause it's very dusty. Once you can see your clear gel-X nails, you know you're ready for preparation, which includes pushing down your cuticles. I do this very carefully with this cuticle remover to soften them and then push them away, and also clean them in between if needed. Before applying any gel, I like to go in with this pH bond. This is a dehydrator to make sure the surface of the nail is really oil-free. For my top coat, I'm going in with the base extent from Pink Gel-Lac, concentrating on the gap area to really make my nail seem one with the gel-X nail tips again. base color, I'm going in with Cheeky from Kiara Sky. I'm obsessed with this color. It's perfect for all skin tones. Now it's time for the French tips, and I'm gonna be using brown and nudes here to use on each nail for an ombre effect. To create the sweater effect, you need some clear acrylic powder. First, draw your design and straight after that, coat it with the powder. Once coated, flash cure straight away. I do this one by one and then at the end, cure all in the big lamp. finally going in with some cuticle oil to really nourish and bring back the moisture to my nails. I absolutely love this design, so perfect for this time of the year. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and definitely tag me on Instagram or TikTok if you recreated this set. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.